Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, yeah, it's a nice winter day out there, and I want to give you an update on my winter indoor garden. Look at my beautiful cucumbers, my bean, my tomatoes. I put them in a big pot because I found that every time you up pot, they cease to grow. They cease to do anything for a couple weeks. So I just went from the little to the big. Oh, and look at my chamomile. Look at it. I'm not sure if any of that is mint or not. It's supposed to be. Another tomato, a spinach, another tomato, and look at my pretty Swiss chard. Look at it. I can hardly wait to harvest it. And of course I have the 2 solar lights there that are charging now, and they turn on when it gets dark.